Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix can't sign out of your Apple ID. So guys, if you want to sign out your Apple ID showing error, you cannot sign off Apple ID because your iPhone is being restored. So guys, if you're facing the error like this, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to close this page. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to force restart your devices depending on which method you are using. So after that, check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply have to turn on your server data instead of Wi-Fi. You guys just simply have to turn on your server data. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to open those settings. Now after that guys, you have to tap new Apple ID. Now you have to go to iCloud settings. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to go to iCloud backup setting. Now from here guys, you have to close this page. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to open those settings. Now tap on general. Now from here guys, you have to go to VPN and device management and make sure that you're not connected with VPN. Now go back, and after that also make sure that your date and time is correct. Now from here guys, you have to go to transfer reset icon, tap on reset. Now from here you have to reset your network setting. Now after that, check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then at the end what you need to do guys, just simply you have to uh, reset your device. Okay guys, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.